I'm Portia Gibbons, and today I'm going to pull the fire alarm at the park Wodny Częstochowa because I love doing really funny stuff that I'm going to do. Okay, it's finally activated. Time to run away before I get caught.
What's going on?
Sounds like Portia Gibbons pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny in White Częstochowa. Come on, Leon Scott Kennedy. Let's get out of here.
Okay, Jade.
But at art.
So Portia Gibbons, how is your day going?
It was great.
Let's watch the news. Portia Gibbons, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny Częstochowa? You know doing that can get you arrested. That's big. You are grounded for 16629 months. Now go upstairs to your room now and think about what you have done, you little troublemakers.
Portia!